The ARES professional pop rivet gun is solidly built to get the job done. This reliable hand riveter is crafted with a high-strength aluminum body and a drop-forged carbon steel upper handle. The thick, cushion-molded vinyl grip feels comfortable in your hand, allowing you to easily squeeze and engage the tool. Its strong steel, square shoulder fulcrum pin prevents pin rotation that can cause elongated holes in your project. 4 mounted nose pieces are included with the riveter in 3/32 inch, 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, and 3/16 inch sizes, along with a service wrench to quickly and easily swap them out. This riveter sets up to 3/16 inch steel rivets, and 15 1/4 inch rivets for each nose piece size are included in the set to get you started. For sheet metal, automotive, ductwork, and more, the ARES professional pop rivet gun makes repairs and installations easy.